Hey,
Yes, hi. Yeah, please tell me.
hi. Yes, I believe you spoke with Bill a little bit earlier today.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was just calling to see if you had a minute to chat, but it sounds like I caught you in the middle of something.
No, that's fine. We can talk now. Go ahead.
First, how do I pronounce your name correctly?
My name is Vijay.
VJ. VJ, nice to meet you, VJ. Um, yeah. So Bill was telling me a little bit about the house that you guys spoke about, the one on Chimney Pass, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, he filled me in the best that he could, but I guess why don't you kind of catch me up to speed a little bit?
So, see, this is a 2017 built home, and I got this home in 2019.
Okay.
And this home, there was a recent upgrade on the backyard. I had concrete done on my backyard, and there are solar panels installed, 21 panels of solar panel, and it's a two-story building, three-car garage, um, the four bed and two and a half bath, basement unfinished.
Okay.
Yeah,
And I think I think Bill mentioned something about are you moving to India?
that's correct.
Okay, neat. When are you doing that?
I see, I will be moving. That I don't have any estimate, but I will be vacating this place and moving to a small, rented apartment or something. So, this place will be vacant. If you want to show it to anybody, then it will be vacant.
Oh, okay. Where are you moving to?
I will be moving to one of my friend's place where it's one of the room he's renting, and I'll be moving to his place.
Oh, is it local, like in the same area?
He's in Herman.
Okay. And you're more familiar than I. How far away is that from Bluffdale, where this house is?
It is around I believe 8 miles.
Okay. So help me. Why? I guess why? Because just from looking at the pictures online, it looks like a beautiful home. I mean, absolutely beautiful home.
Uh-huh.
I guess why? Yeah, why move out of it?
Why move out of it? I want to sell it, right? See, I am the only person staying in the home, and I want to cash it out. Since I'm moving to India, I will be cashing out, and I just want to move out.
Okay. Got it. So you're going to be moving back to India, but you just don't know when yet.
I that will be happening sometime next year.
Okay.
I need to find a job over there, and after that I'll be moving. So that will be done after I sell this home.
Okay, so this is kind of the first step in you being able to get,
That's correct.
Okay. Now, have you looked into just kind of listing it with a real estate agent and sort of going that
Not
route?
yet. Not yet. I'm just exploring the options. So whichever gives the best offer, I'll move with that offer.
Okay. I guess what's been holding you back from just chatting with an agent and listing it?
I will be doing that. So I just started on the Facebook. I could see there are I can do this see what is the home worth and all. So I started with that, and if I'm not getting good offer, I will be moving with the agent. So I have a couple of agents as well in my contact. So I will be contacting them if this does not turn out good.
Got it. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Because just from looking at it, to be honest, it doesn't sound like timeline matters too much, right? Like it doesn't matter if it takes 6 or 9 months. That's not a big deal, right?
That is not a big deal for me. I can
Right.
take care of my part. So that's not a big deal.
Right. And the house is in.
If I can get a good offer, then I can wait. Not an issue.
Yeah. And when you say good offer, what do you mean?
Good offer, I need to look at the numbers, right? I cannot tell what is the offer. So what is the what I can see on Zillow, and if the offer is better than what I can see on Zillow, then I can go with that.
Got it. Okay. And yeah, because I mean, it probably wouldn't make any sense to sell it for anything less than that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and the reason I appreciate you chatting with me here, Vijay, is I'm just looking from my end, and I don't know if I would be the perfect fit for you, just because for what we do, and just kind of give you a heads up, kind of all the other companies that you'll be chatting with a cash offer. Yeah, there's a lot of like neat and very convenient things that we're able to bring to the table, and a number of different things that we can do. But time isn't an issue for you. The house is in beautiful condition. It needs absolutely nothing. You've done an amazing job with the home. It's a newer home. Listing, yeah, there's a couple hoops you got to jump through, and it takes a little while. And yes, there's the agent fees and the closing costs. But to be completely honest, listing it with an agent would probably be the best fit for you. That would be your best bet for, being able to get the most amount of money for the home, even with kind of all the fees and stuff included. Typically you would still make a little bit more money going that route. For a cash offer, now if it needed work fixing it up, or if it's like, hey, I needed to move like, the next like 3-4 weeks, okay, sure, then a cash offer, that something like that might be a fit. But to be completely frank, most cash offers, they will probably be, just to give you the heads up, they will probably be insultingly low. That's why I wouldn't even want to give you a cash offer, because I just don't think I'd be the right buyer for you. The one thing I could do for you, though, is we actually work on, there's a specific agent that we work with. He is an absolute rock star. He's phenomenal, and we've got a really great relationship with him. Would you want me to connect him with you?
Yeah, sure.
Because he would, yeah, that would be your best. We've we've worked with him, because whenever if we feel like someone isn't the right, because don't get me wrong, there's a lot of agents out there, and just like with anything in life, there's good ones, there's bad ones, he's one of the good ones for sure, and he's phenomenal to work with. Would you mind if I gave him this number and your information and had him reach out to you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because yeah, he's phenomenal, and just I hope I'm not coming across wrong. I don't want to insult you at all with the low offer, Vijay, and I just want to help you the best that I can.
Okay, sure. You can share my contact number with him, and he can contact me today. And tomorrow till Monday, I will not be available. So if he talks to me today, then I will be able to discuss.
Okay, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get a hold of him today. So if not today, Tuesday next week?
Yeah, Monday or Tuesday. Yes.
Okay, Monday or Tuesday. Okay, what I'll do is I'll reach out to him, and then I'll kind of send you a text message as well, and let you know. And and in the meantime, if you ever chat with anyone else, and look, even if you're looking to go a different direction or sell the home to someone else, Vijay, if I can be of help in any way, questions on anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to help in any way that I can.
Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you.
All right, thanks so much. Take care.
Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye-bye.